There are three types of basic job evaluation systems: the ranking system, the job classification or grading method, the points system. The ranking system. All jobs are arranged or ranked in the order of their importance, from the simplest to the hardest. A university ranks positions as follows: professor, assistant professor, registrar, deputy registrar, assistant registrar, clerk grade 1, clerk grade 2, class 4 staff. There are 5 steps in the ranking system. Step 1, preparation of job description. Step 2, selection of raters. Step 3, selection of rates and key jobs. Key jobs are positions that are typical of the work of a department and describe the work of a large number of employees. In a production department, positions such as machine operator define the work of a large number of employees. The wage rate payable to these key jobs is then determined. Step 4. Ranking of all jobs is done based on a brief description of each job. The raters rank the highest and the lowest jobs. Next, they rank the next highest and the next lowest. This is repeated till all positions are exhausted. At that stage, all jobs get ranked. Step 5. Preparation of job classification rating. The jobs are classified into 8 to 12 classifications. All jobs within a single classification receive the same wage or range of rates. Job classification or grading method. A number of predetermined grades or classifications are first established by a committee, and then various jobs are assigned within each grade class. After studying different job descriptions and job specifications, jobs are grouped into classes or grades which represent different pay levels. General grade descriptions are written for each job classification, and these are used as a standard for assigning all jobs to a particular scale. Job classification or grading method. Mechanism. The following 5 steps are used: preparation of job description, preparation of grade description, selection of key jobs, grading of key jobs, classification of all jobs. Merits. Simple to understand and operate. Jobs are fully described and can be systematically classified. A large number of jobs can be classified into a manageable number of grades. Grading makes it easier to determine the pay for a job position. The system is widely used in government but not favored by industry. Demerits. Better than the ranking method, but still depends on individual judgment of executives unused to the system. Due to subjective assessment, incorrect classifications may result. Difficult to write grade description. The man holding the job influences judgment of the classification of the job. Rigid system, unsuitable where the number of jobs are varied. The points system. A number of factors are identified to determine compensation. Factors are job characteristics. Points are assigned to each factor. Example, a job is evaluated to have 2 factors: education and experience. Education carries a maximum of 5 points. 5 points for postgraduate and 3 points for graduate qualification. Experience has a maximum of 10 points. 10 points for 5 years experience, 7 for 3 years, and 5 for 1 year. Depending on the person's qualifications and experience, an employee is assigned points. In practice, the number of factors may vary from 30 to 50. Factors are typically education, experience, mental effort, mechanical ability, physical effort, job conditions, hazards, responsibility for equipment, complexity, knowledge of operations, and coordination. The steps in the points system process are: Step 1. Determine the jobs to be evaluated. Step 2. Determine the factors which will be the basis of evaluation. Step 3. Each factor is broken down into degrees or levels. Example: experience levels of 0 to 2 years, 3 to 5 years, and 5 to 8 years. Step 4. Determination of weight or relative importance of each factor. Step 5. Assigning monetary value to each point. Point range, hourly rate range, job grade. For point range 101 to 150, the hourly rate range determined is rupees 6 to rupees 10. The job grade is 1. For point range 151 to 200, the hourly rate range is rupees 8 to rupees 12. The job grade is 2. For point range 201 to 250, the hourly rate range is rupees 10 to rupees 15. The job grade is 3. Packaged point plans. Standard package plans are also available that use factors such as skill, effort, responsibility, and job conditions. Each factor is broken up into sub-factors. Responsibility is broken up into responsibility for equipment, responsibility for material, and responsibility for safety. Effort is broken up into physical and mental effort. Each sub-factor is assigned a maximum number of points. Each position gets points against a sub-factor depending on the degree to which the sub-factor describes the job. In this example, responsibility is assigned 250 points. Effort is assigned 75 points. Responsibility for equipment is assigned 70 points. Responsibility for materials is assigned 110 points. Responsibility for safety is assigned 70 points. Physical effort is assigned 50 points. Mental effort is assigned 25 points. In this particular job, the equipment responsibility is given a third degree or 42 points. Materials responsibility is given second degree or 44 points. Safety of personnel is assigned second degree or 28 points. Physical effort is assigned fourth degree or 40 points. Mental effort is assigned second degree or 20 points. This position gets an overall score of 164 points out of a total of 325 points. The points are then converted into a monetary value